Welcome to the itvideos.com. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and if you're already part of the itvideos channel, I welcome you back. Alright, so in this video I'm going to talk about NPM, which is actually short for Node Package Manager. I'm going to talk about what it is, how we can install it. If you want to learn things related to node.js, this video would be very helpful to you. So without further ado, first of all, we need to check if we have node module. We need to check if we have npm install on our system. So what you can do is, in your command prompt, I can type npm/npm-v, which is short for npm, which would give me the version of npm. And if I type node-v, this would give me a different version, because node and npm, these are installed separately. They are not the same thing. Node is a JavaScript runtime environment, whereas npm is the package manager for Node. So as we discussed earlier, npm is an online repository for the publishing of open source projects for Node, and it's a command line utility for interacting with those repositories. So if I head over to npm, the website, if I head over to the npm, so as you can see, if you're not signed in, you get this view, and you can search for various packages in here. So let's say if I would like to search for, let's say, Express, there's also a package. This is a very popular package, and this has got over 15 million weekly downloads, more than 15 million weekly downloads. The package size is very small. So, and it also talks about how you can use it and how you can install it. So, but this video is not about Express package so much, but it's more about what is npm. If I go back to my command prompt, so let's say if you would like to get started with your npm, first and foremost, what we need to do is install a package.json file. So you might be asking, well, why do I need the package.json file to install my packages? Well, as the name says, package.json, this is a file that exists at the root of your JavaScript /node projects. It holds all the metadata information about the project that you're working on. It holds the information about the dependencies, the properties, the description, the author, and pretty much everything related to the package is stored in your JSON file. So first and foremost, what I would need to do is create a folder. So I can say, let's say hello world, and if I say inside of the hello world directory, if I say npm init, so this would start giving me the prompt, and this will actually to install the package.json file in my hello world folder, and it would give me the prompt for me to install the package.json file in the hello world folder. So if I'm happy with the package name, I'm just gonna hit enter. It gives me the default value. I'm just gonna say okay. I'm going to hit enter, and the version is fine. Leave the description as blank. Enter point would be that, and test command, nothing. Git repository, I don't have a repository at the moment, and I'll just hit enter on all of those. And this is how the package content would look like. As you can see, that is the name of this package, not the file. File would still be package.json, but that is the name inside of the package. This is just a boilerplate code. So when the package is created, it would have some information inside it. So, and as we install our packages, it would add those inside of the dependencies. It would start building it up. So for me, it looks okay now. I'm just gonna hit enter, and now if I go inside of the hello world folder, I'll just say code, so that it will open this folder in Visual Studio Code. Alright, so it has opened Visual Studio Code for me. So as you can see, there's this file in here, and I'm inside of the hello world folder, and it has created one package.json file in here. So let's say you're interested in installing a SaaS package. So if I say SaaS, so SaaS is short for syntactically awesome style sheet. which actually lets you do things like creating variables, nested rules, inline import for CSS. So as you can see, it has got over nearly 3 million downloads, more than 2.5 million downloads per week. And to install that, all you need to do is just use this npm command. So I can just copy this into my clipboard, and if I go back to my command prompt, or I can type that command in here, or I can go straight to my Visual Studio code and hit control tilde sign, which brings up this command prompt in here, where I can paste in that code that I just had copied. So I can type that and hit enter on my keyboard, and it's going to go ahead and install this package. And there would be one new node added in here that would say dependency, as you just saw, that was added, and this package was added successfully. And if I close this one down and look at my package.json file, it tells me that there is this SAS package that was added under the dependencies, and this is the version that is using. And also, as you can see on the left hand side, that it has installed a node_modules package, and inside of this package it has added a bunch of things which we didn't install. The package npm package installer did that for us, and if I scroll down, that is our package right there. And if you expand that, and if you want to see what version it is, you can click on the package, what version is actually installed. That's right there, which actually matches the version that we have in here. So that's how we install a node package. You can even do that from the command prompt, or you can do that from the Visual Studio integrated terminal. I hope you like this video. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the semantic versioning of the node modules. And just before you go, if this video has helped you in any way, shape or form, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.